Jamaican horror animation story, all steeped in the lore of Jamaican slavery and rural folklore. The ending is eerie and satisfying, leaving a lingering sense of unease. Featuring terrifying Duppies, rolling calves, whooping boys, and the dreaded 3-foot horse. Night falls over a rural Jamaican village nestled near a deep bush. The wind whistles like voices whispering names. When the winds start,
Duppy, they both go hide.
we see a young man, Micah, walking home from a wake. He's drunk, laughing, and disrespectful, kicking tombstones in an old sugar plantation graveyard. Suddenly, a cold gust of wind, a shadow moves behind the gravestones. A whip cracks in the distance. Translucent figures of enslaved Africans rise from the ground, with hollow eyes and mouths wide open in silent screams. Micah stares, frozen. One Duppy, Maasa Tunda, an enslaved Obaman, locks eyes with him. Micah screams. His eyes roll back. He collapses. Micah wakes up after midnight. Still in the graveyard, he runs toward the village. He turns a corner and sees a rolling calf, a monstrous, fiery-eyed bull with rattling chains wrapped around its hooves. It charges him. He dives into the bush. A whooping boy, a child-sized spirit with a whip, appears and lashes him from behind. The lash sounds like thunder. Micah runs, battered and crying. He trips right in front of the 3-foot horse, staring at him with glowing red eyes, one leg dragging unnaturally.
If you ever see the 3-foot horse, make peace with your God.
Micah stumbles into the village churchyard. He collapses by a cotton tree. Suddenly, the Duppies surround him again. Maasa Tunda chants in an ancient African tongue. The spirits rise and merge into the cotton tree. Micah's body floats, then drops. He opens his eyes. Villagers find him there, white-haired, speechless, and eyes wide open, trembling. He has whip marks on his back and a burned hoof print on his chest. Micah never talk again. A group of children play near the bush. One throws a stone at the cotton tree. Suddenly, a cowbell clangs. A whip cracks, and a faint, eerie neigh echoes from the bush. The screen fades to black as a child whispers,
I can see something walking, but it seems only a 3-foot